Today I'm going to teach you how to make pancakes step by step. Make sure to follow these steps correctly to have a delicious breakfast. The ingredients we're going to use are flour, milk, eggs, and butter. We are also going to need a bowl, a mixer, preferably electrical, and a measuring cup. Okay, now that we have all these ingredients ready, we're going to start making the mix. First, we're going to add the flour. It will be 1 cup of flour. Now we're going to add 3.5 cups of milk. Okay, next we're going to add 1 egg. Possibly this is the easiest step. Next, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of butter. Now that we have all in the bowl, we're going to start the mixing. Okay, we have the mix ready and prepared. Now we're going to start with the cooking. Okay, now we have the mix, we're going to start the cooking phase. First, we're gonna burn in the pan the necessary amount of mix for 1 pancake. Okay, now that there are bubbles and holes and the corners are golden, we are going to turn over the pancake. Okay, now we have the pancakes ready. Serve and enjoy. Don't forget to add some honey and butter for make the pancakes more delicious. And that was the tutorial of how to make delicious pancakes. Hope you liked. See you next time.